A rafting we will go, a rafting we will go, hi-ho the merry-o. A rafting we will go. Yes, Intex. There's your rubber inner tube. That look nice. And here's the double one. We just undid both of these and I showed you those, and that's what this video is all about, especially talking about the double one. You want to watch that? Stick around. Well, I'm making a quick video. The lights are on to the car. What the deal is that? Well, it's probably because the door is slightly ajar here. And the reason why I've got it ajar, I don't want to smash this cord. And this happens to be a little blow-up pump, an air pump for one of these little river run inner tubes. And I've already done that. I just made a quick video of that. Now I'm going to make a quick video of this double one. It's a two-man one, and it also has a little area for an ice chest. And I'm going to blow that up, even though it's not going to fit in the car. I'm going to blow it up now because I want to make sure that a little Playmate igloo will fit in it, or something like this. I think this one's going to be too wide for it, so I'm hoping that that one's going to fit. I'm going to make this video right now. And this we got at Big 5. Mommy's going to take it down the river, and she's going to take the grandkids. We should have got two single ones and a double one, but we got just the double and one single. So we got enough for 3 people to go down, and this only costs like $40. That's it. And the thing with that, it comes with a little connector and some rope in case you want to tie all your rafts together like this. Connect in a float system, and it's from Intex. Okay, this double one actually also comes with a, where did I read it before? Large built-in cooler with lid. Oh, look at this. I didn't even know it came with the cooler. That's what that is right there. And I saw that before, and it looked like she was using it just for her arm. Hey, baby. You know what? This comes with its own cooler. It says cooler with lid.
Oh, it is?
This right here.
Oh, cool.
It says with lid. I was just reading it. So I'm gonna blow it up just to show people. And this one comes. I read it somewhere. It comes with an actual. Oh, what was it? It came with the kit. Here, this one comes with the repair patch. Okay, comes with repair patch for the double one. So isn't that something? This comes with an actual cooler with lid. I'm kind of curious what that's going to look like. And this was only $40. I can't believe it. I thought it was going to cost, $100. I don't know. Because we haven't been floating down the river, and I thought that maybe that's something we should start doing. Going down a river or taking it out to the lake, or I don't know. Okay, so here's the connector right here, and this is long enough. It's in the car. It's long enough for that. And it looks like I have to just take the whole thing off the first go to then unscrew the top bit. The top little screw deal has a little rubber flapper in there. So when you blow it up, you want to have this one out. Okay, so I'm screwing the bottom coupling piece in. So I just have the top open. That's when I want to fill it. Then when I go to undo it, I don't want to just take this off because that flapper is going to keep it from not going. Then you unscrew the whole thing. You know, get down there and unscrew the whole thing, and then that'll release all the air, okay? Now let's see how well this is going to blow up. And we've got the cooler, and that will blow up too. The cooler's right there, and that will blow up with this. I just put this in and put that one on there, and this is for something else. I don't know what that one's for. And then there's a little pocket area here, maybe for some extra drinks, or you can put some sandwiches and some food in there. That's probably what that's for. So I'm kind of anxious. I didn't know that it came with the cooler. All that for 40 bucks? Are you kidding? Okay, I got to start the car up in order to get this working. We plug this in to the cigarette lighter, and this is for like a 2016 car. And I guess you've got to start it up in order for the cigarette lighter area to work. Okay, so I'll plug this in here. See how long it's going to take for this to fire up. I don't really think it's going to take that long, and this pump was the $20 pump. It'll take a few minutes. I'm just going to keep rolling the video until it gets full. I can already see it's doing its thing. And there's two headrests that I got to blow up, as well as the little cooler. When I first looked at this, I didn't read the whole thing. I vaguely saw this, but then see, she's got her arm on it, so I thought it was just an armrest. See? The beauty of reading the directions and stuff like that. Here it shows you how to put these little connectors on the side rails, these little side pieces that they're all around, and then you can rope. You can take the rope and you can tie different inner tubes together if that's something you want to do. And this is from Intex for $40. I thought this was going to be cheesy for $40, you know, but it's pretty durable. And you know what? This said it was supposed to come with that patch kit. I'm going to have to look around here because I don't see the patch kit. Unless it's stuck in here somewhere. I'll have to look for it. If we can't find it, I'll probably end up going back to Big 5 later on to get it. Alright, that's probably full enough for now. I can pull that off and no air is coming through there because there's a baffle in there, rubber baffle. I'm going to just screw it on here for kicks. Okay. Now I'm going to put the different, just flop the other end on here. Boy, that I had to push way in there because there's a little baffle in that too. Okay? I'm not going to blow it up any higher than that for now. Let's get this middle thing blown up. It comes with a lid, and I'm not quite sure. Oh, that blows up too. This little thing here blows up as well, and then this other side blows up. All right.